Hi folks, Chris Voss from thechrisvossshow.com, thechrisvossshow.com, coming to you here with the blog post. I've been lucky enough to live in Las Vegas, where if you're familiar with the company Zappos.com and Tony Hsieh, its CEO, take and reside. And I was lucky enough to catch up to him on this last Friday's show where they did a promotion for his new book called Delivering Happiness. And one of the things that we've been doing with the Chris Voss Show is we're promoting his June 7th release of his book, Delivering Happiness, as you can see here. So we're part of his program to promote his book. Now, Tony was kind enough to share with me 2 copies of his book. One is autographed to me, and another one is autographed to some lucky winner who will win the second book. And of course, this is his promotion. You can see here, Living the Wow, Tony Hsieh. So thank you, Tony. Tony's a super great guy. Loved hanging out with him, and it's so great that I can be in Vegas and be able to bump into him. Anyway, you want to take a look at his book. It's going to be released on June 7th. I would encourage you, if you get a chance, to sign up for an advance copy on Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, or whether venues you tend to prefer. But it's an exceptional book. It's very Harvey McKay-ish, if you're familiar with that in the 80s, where he talks a lot about his business life, his business experience, and some of the mantras, some of the techniques that he used to be successful and overcome some of the challenges in his business and life. He talks a lot about Zappos, Link Exchange, the business he had before. But if you're looking to start up a business, if you're looking to be an entrepreneur, this is the type of book that you really want to take and read. It's going to get into some of the different challenges that you encounter in being in business, some of the different ways that you can problem solve and overcome some of the issues that you'll find in business. I mean, business is a crazy thing. You've heard me discuss in my videos, and it doesn't always follow the book or the graph or the Harvard Business Review flow chart as to how it's supposed to operate. And Tony talks in the book about his incredible journey and his incredible ability to overcome and redefine some of the elements of business. I mean, one of his things is paying employees $2,000 to quit, making customer service the number one priority. It's kind of something people don't really do anymore. The customer service seemed to kind of go out of vogue a little bit in the 80s and 90s. And they talk about making a difference in the world. So make sure you pre-order it on Amazon.com. And, of course, if you get a chance to meet Tony, wonderful gentleman. And he just recently got done selling Zappos.com for $1.2 billion estimated to Amazon.com. So pretty incredible thing there, and continued success to Tony. So thank you very much, Tony, and your organization for sharing this with us. And I'm going to give this away to one of the lucky commenters on my blog. Whoever gives me whoever comments below, and of course give me a lot of retweets if you would, please. But I'm just going to randomly select one of the commenters on the Chris Voss Show blog, and we'll send them this book out. And it is an autographed copy. There's a few other blogs and people that have these books that are out there, but once I saw that I could hook up with Tony here in Las Vegas and get his signature, I thought, this is going to be worth a whole lot more to my people because I'll have a personalized autographed copy from Tony. And what can be better? Free copy. Can't beat that, right? I mean, they're going to charge probably some good money for this book, but I've read through it. It's a beautiful book. I would highly recommend it. I don't recommend a lot of books, but when it comes to being an entrepreneur, I would say this is definitely one you need to have in your library. Definitely. Thank you very much for coming by thechrisvossshow.com. Be sure to pre-order Delivering Happiness by Tony Hsieh of Zappos on Amazon.com. Amazon.com. Or Barnes & Noble, whatever you prefer. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.